Good morning, dear children. I welcome you all again in science virtual class of 10th. So yesterday we are studying about some rules of image formation in a concave mirror, and I have provided you one table that at what place object is placed, then where image is formed. ये मैंने बताया था. एंड कितनी बड़ी होगी, कितनी छोटी होगी, इज इट रियल और इज इट वर्चुअल, दिस ऑल्सो आई टोल्ड यू. सो हियर आई जस्ट रिपीट द फोर लॉज. what was the first law of formation of image in concave mirror? First one is when any incident ray compels to the principal axis, after reflection it goes from the focus. And second one is if any incident ray coming from the focus, after reflection it goes parallel to the principal axis. And what was the third one? Third one is when any incident ray coming from the central of curvature, it retraces its path. And what was the fourth one? Fourth one is if any ray coming to the pole of the concave mirror, so it get reflected at the same angle of incident. Now here I'll complete it with the four laws. And first image formation, you can see what is the image formation of first image when object is at pole, between pole and focus. So image will form behind the mirror. It will be large and virtual, erect and magnified image. And second one also we have studied when object is at focus. Focus पे थी तब हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि image formed when object is at focus at infinity. You can see how images is going to be formed. One ray is coming parallel to the principal and after reflection it is going from the yes. Now you can see that the image formation will take place at infinity. Now the topic start. Here is the topic. What happened when any object is between focus and central of curvature? Okay. Watch this video properly. Yes, here is it. Now you can observe. अब इसको observe करो. Yes. Now see what happening. You can see that object is between central of curvature and focus. Now one ray is coming from the central of curvature and going from here only, and one ray is coming parallel to the principal axis and after reflection it's going from the focus and it's meeting at this point. Means now image is forming at the behind the central of curvature. Central of curvature के पीछे क्या बन रही है? इमेज. अब पीछे तो बन रही है बट इट इज़ रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड, क्योंकि ये वर्चुअली नहीं है, ये रियल में आपकी रिफ्लेक्टेड रे मीट कर रही है. दैट वाई इट इज़ रियल एंड इन्वर्ट. नाउ मूविंग वी आर मूविंग अहेड विद द मोर. Now I placed object at the central of curvature. For this, if you are studying, so you have to be very known to the rules of the image formation. Now you can see that here is the object at the central of curvature. So one ray coming parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it goes from the focus, and one ray which is coming from the focus after reflection goes parallel to the principal axis. The image was formed at central of curvature only. Okay, and it will be real, same size of the object and inverted. Now next, when any object is placed beyond C, मतलब C के पीछे रखा हुआ हो. So what happened? See, one line straight coming parallel to the principal axis and after reflection is going from the focus, and one line coming from the central of curvature, it retraces its path. So now image formed at between central of curvature and focus. मीन्स जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट सेंट्रल ऑफ कर्वेचर के बियॉन्ड होता है तो इमेज कहाँ बनती है? बिटवीन सेंट्रल ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड फोकस. ओके, इट्स रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. नाउ नेक्स्ट, suppose object is at infinity, so many rays are coming from it and all are coming parallel to the principal axis. So all meet at one focus. Yes, all meet at one focus at this point. all meet. अब यहाँ पर जो इमेज बनेगी वो बहुत छोटी और सबसे छोटी होगी. Here I complete my lesson. Will continue tomorrow. Thank you. Stay safe at home.